Hello again YouTube, this is another how-to video, and it's a video on how to install your collar clamp. My collar clamp is now an MGP Nitro green collar clamp, triple bolted. It's quite good, but I will be replacing it soon because I have ordered a Blazer Pro, and I might do a video on how to install that too. First off, you need the 3 bolts. There they are. Your bars. If your bars are oversized, you won't need the shim, which I don't have. If you are running oversized, if you aren't running oversized bars, you will need the shim. But I'm running oversized, so I don't need the shim. And you will also need a 5mm Allen key. So I will show you how to do it, and you will also need your scooter. And now I will show you how to do it. Okay, first off, you will need to put your collar clamp onto your bars. Make sure they are fully down like that. Like that. Just to put it up a bit. And to also help you, I would put it halfway and then get your scooter, put it on like that, and then push down on your bars until it is correct. Like that. Now it is correct. Also, you have to be careful to line your collar clamp up with your bars. Mine isn't lined up at the moment, but I will now line it up. Okay, that is now lined up. Then you need to put your bars with your collar clamp onto there. It doesn't need to be lined up, but you can put your bolts on just a little bit and turn it around. Then put the second bolt on, and then the third bolt, like so. And then now, if I were you, I would line it up. So I'm going to line it up now. Okay, that is now lined up. If you want to, just tighten one bolt at a time. I usually do mine quite tight so my bars don't come loose. If I were you, I would just tighten a bit, like I've done there, and then go round and then tighten a bit on your other bolt. So it's tight enough that it doesn't move when you try and really tighten it. But if you try and tighten it too hard, your bolt will get rounded off, and also, hopefully not, your 5mm Allen key, which is very, very good. So I've did that now. I'm just going to check it's all lined up still. Yes, it is. So then I'm going to tighten this now. Hard, like that, and go around, and then tighten that. Hard, like so. And then the bottom one. Like so again. And to finalise it, I am just going to check if my bars are still lined up. So they're a bit off track, but and you can ride like that. So that is a video on how to put your collar clamp on. Hope you liked it, and thank you for viewing.